Hey guys, welcome back to Coin Knowledge. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Rubic Exchange, which is a multi-chain swap protocol. And the biggest and the most useful thing about Rubic Exchange is that it allows you to bridge between multiple chains really easily. So we'll take a look here, and so you can see Rubic is a multi-chain swap protocol, which enables you to swap any of 15,000 plus assets between 12 different blockchains in one click. And you see multi-chain swaps, 12 blockchains. It is a lot. What is Rubic? Rubic is a multi-chain swap that enables you to swap a lot of assets between Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Harmony, Avalanche, Moonriver, Phantom, Solana, Arbitrum, Aurora, Near, and Telos. In one click, and it even features 60 plus dexes, fiat on ramps, and bridges. So I like this logo here. You can see all the different chains that you can swap between. So a good amount, and they're pretty well-known chains that people usually use, quite frequently, in my opinion. But if we look here at their bridge, the whole thing about it. So how to get here is you would just launch their app from their main website. I could show you. Go all the way to the top. Launch app, it'll bring you in here, and what I do is that you just go hit the little hamburger right up here and hit Rubic Bridge. It'll take you to this page, and let's say right now I'm on the Polygon blockchain. So if I go Polygon, and you can see all the different assets that it supports. So if we just see, let's just say that I just want to use a native token Polygon. And then let's say I want to move my Polygon from Polygon to, let's just go Phantom, and we'll go, again, the native gas token. So we have it when we swap Phantom. And if I want to, load 1,000 Matic onto the Phantom network, it will show you, kind of the system, how it gets there. And I don't have 1,000 Matic in my wallet, but if I did, it's as easy as that. I put 1,000 here. It shows me how many Phantom I'm going to get after the swap is done. And then you would approve it and then swap. And then once you swap, it will, bridge over right into your MetaMask. It'll bridge. And that's pretty much how you bridge using Rubic. And if you want to see, it'll show you the network fee. So it will cost, about 3.3 Matic to make this transaction if I wanted to do it. So you will see, and you will receive Phantom tokens at this address. So it'd be my MetaMask Phantom, wallet address for me personally. So, and again, you can go from, well, I'm already on the Polygon chain, but you can go from, let's say Matic. Let's say you want to get over onto the Moonriver chain. You can go Moonriver Mover, and again, swap 1,000 Matic to get to Moonriver, and it will take you over. It'll give you Mover on the Moonriver chain. So again, very cool. And they do have a native token as well. And you see they have an earn system as well. And what's really cool about Rubic is, let's say you don't have any, crypto in your account, or if you need to top up, you can go. They have a fiat on ramp. So you can say, let's say I want to get 200 USDC, right? I want to get 200 USDC, or since I'm on the Matic chain, let's say I want to get 200 worth of Matic. I would just load 200. I want to spend 200 to get Matic, and I would just hit credit card and then hit buy Matic. It'll take you to a third party. You put your credit card information in, you get Matic. Boom, fiat on ramp. You have Matic. So then you can then go to the bridge and swap it over. So very easy to use. And again, they do have their native token Rubic, which is RBC. And you see kind of the information here in their white paper. And take a look at their white paper too if you're looking at this project. But for their native token, Rubic, we can see right now, at the time of this recording, it is trading for about 7 to 8 cents. With a market cap of just about 8.5 million, with a fully diluted of not much bigger, like under 10 million. And you see they had all-time highs of about, 67 cents. We're kind of on a low right now, but something that I would just want to bring it up because it is there for the exchange. They do have the native token Rubic, so I wanted to bring it to your attention. But either way, guys, that is the Rubic Exchange and how to use their Rubic Bridge to swap between 12 different blockchains. Again, it is very nice, especially if you do use the Ethereum, Polygon, Binance, Near, Aurora, Avalanche, Phantom, Moonriver, Harmony, Solana, Arbitrum, and Telos blockchain. And the amount of assets that it supports is plentiful. So I'm sure out of all these assets, you're going to be using one of them to swap. I'm sure it's a lot. And it has some of the more assets I've seen on some bridges. Most of the time, they require you to trade either stable coins or the native token, from what I've seen, and they're not all like that. But yeah, guys, that is the Rubic Exchange. Again, just a multi-chain swap protocol, which allows you to swap between those 12 different blockchains. And let me know in the comments below if you guys found this useful, if you use Rubic, or what other bridges that you use and like. Let me know, and I'll do my own research on them, and maybe I'll make a video on them if I haven't already. And otherwise, if you can like the video, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and share the video. And either way, I will catch you guys in the next one. All right. See you guys.